How to fix could not reach server in Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application. Now as you launch the Play Store application, tap on the search bar and search for Google Pay just to make sure you have an updated version of the Google Pay application on your device. So when you search for Google Pay, you'll be able to see different options over here. So just make sure that you have Google Pay on your device uploaded and downloaded to this latest version. Then you can just go back to the home screen and search for GPay over here and make a long press on it and then tap on app info. Here you'll be able to see the option of clear data. So just tap on clear data and here clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now you can relaunch the Google Pay application and then this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.